So in this Notes app tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link notes to other notes on the Notes app. So what I want you to do is first and foremost have two different notes ready. So if I were to go back here on this page, I have the examples note and the linked note. I'm going to link something in my examples note to the linked note. So just go ahead and type whatever you want. So if I wanted to say linked note right here, make sure you go ahead and highlight what you want to link. So it looks like that. Once this bar opens up, it says cut, copy, paste, delete. Press the arrow and then press on add link. Where it says link to, go ahead and type in what the other link is named. So it's going to be linked note right here. I'll go ahead and do that, and you can either use this note title or link note right there. If this looks good to you, go to the top right, press check. Now what you're going to see right here is it's actually linked. So if I were to go ahead and press this link note right here, it's then going to bring me to the link note page. So once again, go back to examples, press it, and now I'm on this page right there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to link notes to other notes on the Notes app. And I hope this video helps.